us tonight, we got Peridot. Come on down.
What's up, y'all muddy-luddy clods?
It's good to see you again for like 5, 6, 7, 8 years. I'm just counting like the thousands of years since those who live with a gemstone can live forever. So how was it, Peridot?
It's like you got many more lives to go on for the battle, but what really ends up getting poofed, just like I did.
No worries about it. When you get poofed, it'll eventually revive on its own and get yourself a new you. Unlike the humans without the gemstone, it's like YOLO. You only live once. So what's your recent chit-chat with Yellow Diamond?
That's the last time I talked to that yellow diamond again, but she doesn't know me anymore. But what on earth is this? I got a history from her.
Okay, based on my research, we know that the word clod is quite an inappropriate term for Steven Universe, but the true meaning of clod is a lump worthless earth.
Exactly. It's more like a lumpy soil that came out from the garden, so that's my term. You know that yellow diamond, she got my eye on revenge for you. You made Steven even cry. Why don't you just poof David instead of me?
Yeah, the clod should be poofed out of the nowhere. Thanks for the special mention to the Cloddy CEO of WBD. Alrighty, it's time for a lie detector test. Ready when you are. Do you sometimes getting pissed when some people, including the Crystal Gems, disappoint at you like you ain't doing your job that well?
Nope, nuh-uh. It's a no. Ow! That hurts!
Uh-oh, they did disappoint you, ha 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 ha.
This machine is really too biased, you clod.
Please give it up for Peridot once again. Thank you so much for your time.
No problem.
You can call me Chloe, by the way.
Yeah, no problem, Chloe. I'm here to help.
Okay, Christy, from your previous career P-pop generation to a whole new level, an inspirational gamer. You're almost close to our PMG buddy here. So how's the gaming experience as of today?
Ayun, I'm super blessed kasi after years din na nahinto ako sa pag-P-pop, ito na yung opportunity na talagang napawaw ako, like too good to be true talaga kasi dito yung parang dito ko na-express yung sarili ko, dito ko nalabas yung kung sino talaga ako. So I'm really happy that I'm part of Smart Giga Arena Gamer Fest Squad.
As a gamer, which is your favorite nowadays?
Actually, ang favorite ko dito is yung CODM, Call of Duty Mobile. So as of now, yun yung ini-stream ko.
Call of Duty? Whoa! That's a shooting game! He played Doomsday recently on his Android phone and he knows how to play Honkai. Okay, 30. E-games or esports is now a trend in this generation, even to those who are in Gen Z these days. So, what's the advice to those newly welcome gamers, or they just wanted to try out whether it is based on experience or joining a competition? Tell us about it.
So siguro unahin na natin syempre yung mga nag-grind at saka yung mga nagsisimula pa lang. Talagang lahat naman tayo nagsisimula sa wala kasi kahit ako, I started din sa wala hanggang sa nag-grind lang ako na nag-grind and syempre kapag may opportunity, sa esports kasi sobrang laki ng community eh. So as much as possible, mas better if magbe-build kayo ng sarili nyo ring community para mas dumami yung supporters nyo and at the same time makilala kayo. Kasi doon talaga magsisimula yan eh. Magsisimula yan sa isa hanggang sa dumami na siya na up to 1,000 viewers, basta ganon. Pero basically, kung advice lang gusto nyo, syempre kailangan mahal nyo yung ginagawa nyo eh. Kasi kung gusto nyo nandun na kayo agad sa taas, walang ganong pathway. Kailangan talaga, kumbaga sa daan malubak yan. So, kailangan may passion ka, at the same time, kailangan mahal mo yung ginagawa mo.
Did you know that March 10th is when Mario celebrated his birthday yearly through Super Mario when it was made back in 1985? Now it's going to be a double celebration. Before we move on to Mario, first up, we got a 4-member P-pop group that joined back in 2021 and they won the first search of the newest P-pop girl group yet, and it's now 2 years old. Please welcome into this studio, Yara. Okay, Krista, what does Esina, or let's just say a scene, to everyone based on the making of the song?
Actually, nung nilabas namin yung eksena, we wanted to make like a statement na make a scene, like even sa mga times na hindi ka confident, just go for it and
stand out in your own individual way. So yun yung gusto namin masabi.
It's like you're taking risk in those challenges.
They're trying to take risk na umeksena to be fulfilled by themselves in their individuality, to be confident sa kung sino man sila.
Okay, moving on with Gelu.
Ang masaya naman dito today. Salamat po sa pagpunta, Philip. And sana makita namin kayo ulit.
That's great. So, what's next for Yara after this anniversary?
Oo naman, yes. Marami, kaya stay tuned.
Next up, Kim. Same question.
Siyempre, super fun since ngayon na lang ulit kami nag-gathering with our fans. And sana more years to come, nakasama pa rin namin sila. Yun lang.
Lastly, Rocher. Same question as I mentioned.
Okay naman, masaya kasi nakikita naman dumadami yung focus. Like ngayon, ang daming bagong tao and sobrang saya lang kasi nakikita rin namin na nag-enjoy kayo.
Do you have any message to the cocoons out there?
Ayan, happy anniversary and sana magkita-kita pa soon. Lahat kayo. Makita namin kayo. Thank you!
Anyways, we are hoping for the growing family of the cocoon so anyone can enjoy watching your future performances. Thank you, girls. Join us again next time for more collaborations. Good night, everyone.